Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 16 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 1513. Number of substrings with only ones. So in this problem you are given a binary string S. We have to return the number of substrings with all characters ones. Since the answer may be too large, we have to return it modulo 10 to the power 9 plus 7, right? So here if you see example number 1, so this is your string, right? So here in this string, how many number of ones we have? First thing, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 is appearing 5 times. That simply means that we can create 5 substrings of 1, right? So if you see in all these substrings, we have just one, right? Okay, so this is done. Now how many substrings we can form of this one, right? So let's see that. So 1, 2, 3, right? So total 3 we can form of these one, right? And all these ones are at distinct indices only, right? All these. Okay, and how many we can form of 1, 1, 1? So only one, right? And can we form any substring of 1, 1, 1, 1? No, no four ones appear together, right? Clear? So we have to calculate the number of substrings, right? Continuous we have to iterate. Okay, so here if you see, this is not possible, right? So 5, 3, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 is output, right? So there are 9 substrings in total with only one's characters. That's it. This is your output. Now see this example number 3. Okay, so very good example. So here if you see, we have 6 ones all together, right? So now here I'm going to derive few things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we have 6. So how many substrings of 1 we can form? Just single one, right? So let's see that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, done. Clear? This is done. This is done, right? Now how many substrings we can form of two ones? Okay, let's see that. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? So total 5 we can form. Done. Okay, now how many substrings we can form of three ones? Three ones. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4 we can form of three ones. Now how many substrings we can form of four ones? Let's see that. Okay, so four ones, right? So this is 1, right? Then this is second, then this is third. 3 we can form, right? Clear? Now after that, how many substrings of 5 ones we can form, right? 5 ones. So let's see that. 5 ones. So this is 1 and this is 2. That's it, right? So first these 5s and then these 5s. That's it. Only 2, right? 2. Now how many substrings I can form of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones, right? So 6 ones. So only one, right? This complete. Only one. Okay, that's it. So now here if you see, in total 6 plus 5 11, 4 15, 18, 20, 21. 21 is my output. Okay, clear. 21 is my output, right? So here I'm writing one thing. If I have 6 ones all together, right, I'm going to get my output as 21, right? Now if I have just single one, then how many outputs I can get? Just one, right? If I have two ones together, then how many we can get? We can get 3, right? Because this one, and then this both, right? That simply means I'm talking about this one, just single one, it is appearing 2 times, and double one we can take 1, right? So this and this complete 3. Now if I have 3 ones, then how many we can get? So let's see that. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, we are getting 6. Clear? Now if I have 4 ones, if I have 4 ones, then how many I can get? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So I can get 10 then. Okay, so this is done, right? Now same way, if I have 5 ones, right? If I have 5 ones, 1 2 3 4 5, how many I can get? Same simple way, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, then 13, then 14, and then one complete 15 we can get, right? Clear? So now if you see here, this is what I have derived, right? This is what I have derived. So if I have just single one, if I see single one, right? If I see something like this, so single one is there, right? In this occurrence also single one. So with this one, how many we can form? Just one. With this one, how many we can form? Just one. Now if I have something like this, 1 1 0, right? So all together we have two ones now. So with this I can simply return output as 3. If I have something like this, 1 1 0 1 1, so here with this 3, so output I will get 3 plus 3 6, right? I will just add that. Okay, but here I'm just deriving one pattern, right? Now if you see here, if you see here, 1 and here, what is difference between 3 and 1? Difference is 2. Okay, and here 6 and 3, difference is nothing but 3, and 10 and 6, difference is 4, 15 and 10, difference is 5, right? And here 21 and 15, difference is 6, right? So here if you notice, initially we have 1. Okay, so now if you notice here one thing, right? If I have single one, then I'm returning 1, right? If I have two ones, then I'm returning 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, which is 3. If I have 3 ones, then I'm returning 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is nothing but 6. If I have 4 ones, then I'm returning 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is 10. If I have 5 ones, I'm returning 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is nothing but 15. If I have 6 ones, right? So I am returning 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, that is nothing but 21. So for 6 consecutive ones, right? 6 consecutive ones, what we are doing? We are just doing 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, and that is nothing but equal to 21. Same way for 5 consecutive ones, right? What we are doing here? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, right? So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is nothing but 5 4 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, that's it. For 4 consecutive ones, what we are doing? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is nothing but 4 3 7 8 9 10, right? So this is a pattern, right? This is a pattern that you have noticed, right? So that's it. So now our problem is very simple, right? So we have to just iterate over our string, right? So if you just take this example, 101, right? Let's pick this example 101, right? So here we are just saying 1 1, right? So 1 is output, then next time iterate 0 0, skip, then again 1, so 1 here output, so 1 plus 1, output is 2, right? Same way here, if you have 1 1 1, 0 1 1 1, right, like this. So here you are here, then you see three consecutive ones, so three consecutive ones. So formula is very simple in math, right? So three consecutive ones, right? So that is nothing but sum of first three natural numbers, and the formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is a formula shortcut. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is nothing but 6. So same way, if you apply this formula, 3 into 4 divided by 2, you are going to get 6 only. That's it. Okay, so here you are going to get 6, skip. Then three consecutive ones, then here you are going to get 6. So output is 6 plus 6, 12. That's it. Okay, and that's it. Very simple. Okay, so let's write the code. Nothing complex now, right? Very easy problem, not of medium, very easy. You just need to derive this pattern. Okay, so here first create the mode, right? If you don't use this mode now, you will get overflow error, right? I will show you that in the end as well. 0 0 0 and here 0 0 7. Okay, so now here uh, long result, set it to 0, right? And int n is nothing but equal to s dot length. And then after that, here you are running one loop for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, and here I plus plus, and here if s dot char at I, if it is equal to 1, right? So in that case, what you need to do, you have to create one variable long count and set it to 0, right? Now we have to calculate the consecutive ones, right? So while is I is less than n, so this condition we need to check, otherwise if I is out of bound, then we will get some error, right? Array out of bound. So first make sure that I value is less than n, and here s dot char at I, right, if this is equal to 1, right? So what we are doing, we are just calculating the number of consecutive ones, right? So here count plus plus and I plus plus, right? And we are always making sure that I is less than n, right? And now we have to just update the result as nothing but result plus count into count plus 1, right? Count is equal to count plus 1, and here divided with 2, right? This, and here after that, what I'm doing here, I am doing I minus minus, because here in the while loop I'm doing I plus plus whenever there is 1, right? So when I reach at 0, right? Okay, when your I is here initially, so you have to find the consecutive ones, right? So definitely here all these are consecutive, right? This I, this I, and then your I reaches here, and then when you see a 0, so you are breaking, right? You are breaking this while loop, right? And you calculate the result, then I have to do I minus minus, because in the for loop also I am incrementing I one time, right? So I have to start checking from here, right? So in that case, you can do one thing, you can move I1 backward, and then next iteration you can start from here. But I think we are good if we skip, right? If we skip this index, because we are uh, breaking this while loop, right, when we have 0, right? So there is no need to check this value also, right? So I think I don't think there is no requirement of this. We can skip it. Let's see. Let's skip it. Okay, that's it. And here this is done, and here I'm just going to return what we have to return, result, right? And here, since return type is int, so we have to change this to int. But now we will get some error. Okay, so let me first run it. So see, all the test cases have been accepted, right? Now we will see some error. Okay, if I just submit it, because I'm not using mode anywhere. Okay, so see, 54 test cases passed out of 56, right? And this is failing. The reason is overflow error, right? So that is the reason it is saying that since the answer may be too large, we have to return it modulo 10 to the power 9 plus 7. So this mode we have created now. So just use this here, right? And here you have just do mode with this mode value. Okay, now if you submit it, See, our solution is set there, right? That's it. And the time complexity is nothing but of n only, since we are iterating over all the values in my string only one time, right? So in the while loop also I'm running I consecutively moving forward only. My I is moving forward only. We are not checking any index, right? Two times, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. And if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.